In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to hit Apps. Tap on Choose Default Apps and tap on Home app to apply Launcher Pro. Just click on it and wait. Then hit Allow All. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always do that by going into Launcher Pro app. And if you wish to go back to your default launcher, access the same settings and click on Samsung One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!